What's up mga brad? So the reality is I don't have a job here in the US, but in order to the money keep coming, I am selling on eBay, Pushmark, Facebook Marketplace, and also at Plato's Closet. So some of my stuff that has been sold in eBay, most of them are vintage. So there's a market for vintage t-shirt, pants, all of kind of stuff that, that most of the teens are buying online. So that's how I get my money for selling on eBay online. So right now I'm here at Plato's Closet. I'm selling my vintage stuff that it cannot be sold online. To answer the question, where do I get my vintage clothing? So I get those from different kind of thrift store, like My Unique, Goodwill, Plato's Closet, Inspiration. So I got all of my vintage in that thrift store. So that's it, guys. I'm here waiting for like a couple of hours now, but I need to get my money right around 7 p.m. tonight. So see you guys.